Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel and I am the Lake Area Vlogger, and today, as you can tell, I am on the Welland Canal and I am next to the Garden City Skyway, and just gliding past me right now is the ALGOSOLIS, a prominent member of the Algoma Central Corporation's modern tanker fleet, built to navigate these precise waters, and she is a vital link in the Great Lakes supply chain. At nearly 140 meters long, the ALGOSOLIS is designed for maximum efficiency and environmental sustainability. This Canadian flag vessel spends her days transporting petroleum products and chemical cargoes across the Great Lakes and the St. Lawrence Seaway system. Watching her seamlessly handle the restricted channels of the canal is a testament to the skill of her crew and the precision of the modern marine engineering. The stretch of water ahead marks a crucial transition. The ALGOSOLIS is now making her steady approach towards lock number 2 here in St. Catharines. Navigating a massive vessel into these tight concrete chambers requires absolute focus, careful throttle management, and perfect synchronization from the bridge team. Right, it's time to jump in a vehicle and head up to lock number 2, where I can carry on catching up with the action, and that's where my microphone will start working again. Right, just got here in time. Lock number 2 of the Welland Seaway. Let's see if we can get a nice shot of this. I mean, everything's locked into place. Look, we have gates everywhere. But what I can do is put that in like that and give you a little shot like that. So she's just lined up now to come on in, and shouldn't be too long. Oh, we get a nice view from here. Look at this. So even though there's a fenced in area here, we get to have a good view by just putting the camera over the gap, and a good close-up here of the bridge while we wait. I mean, really, I don't get to see it this close-up. Let's have a look. Look at that. Straight up, with the clouds going overhead. A lot of sloshing around. Look at the mechanics of this thing. Massive cogs. So we're now down here, lock number 2 of the Welland Canal. I think this is the first time I've actually filmed something here, believe it or not. So the sun's now kind of just going over to the side, which is going to help light the ship up a lot better. You can hear all the birds. So this should be a good video for you all. Look at that, that's a nice shot actually, getting closer to us. Perfect. Bulbous bow making its way right up to us. A couple of crew members hanging over the side. I can hear voices. Get a nice shot of them shortly. Some idiot in a car shouting about being held up in traffic. He's not happy. insane. That is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. As you can hear by that, I'm really close to the bridge here. So this is going to come down any second now, and she's going to be tightly in the lock and ready to go down to the next level. That's cool to watch, actually. Now the traffic gets to come back over. We're back flowing again. And life goes back to normal on the road. So the name Knutsen you see on the back, just zoom in quickly. Eli Knutsen Yeah, the shipping company it came from was called Knutsen. Knutsen OAS Shipping. And that's who Algoma acquired it from. Hey, another good video. All right, that is it from this particular video here in the Welland Canal, lock number 2. And ALGOSOLIS is making its way onto Halifax. Until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon. Take care. That's a good video. I like that. That's in the bag.